JJ. Hey, Rox. Away they go. Hello, hello. Fast to begin. She's gorgeous. Divine Wisdom Oriel outside is Dandino. Moving up by the rally's knees. And Tony alongside. It's now she's gorgeous Dandino alongside is hello, Tony. Niece is running by the rail. Dandino by Hapaland followed by hello, Tony. Niece is moving up by the Radis Divine Wisdom. And as they race towards the last 600, Dandino still the leader. Tony on the outside, Niece in the middle, Divine Wisdom down on the inside, she's gorgeous, and hello, it's now Tony from the outside, and Dandino down on the inside, Niece is racing third, Divine Wisdom, she's gorgeous, hello, and Sincerely Devil. Tony by about 2 lengths, followed by Dandino in second. Niece is racing in third, Divine Wisdom. And nearing the finish line, Tony with Jep Tagulaw Zarate. Coming in second, Niece, Dandino, Divine Wisdom. And she's gorgeous.